Here is the screencast that I think you have been waiting for. How do I add images to HTML page? There are a few steps involved. Before we talk about the code, we talk about the files itself. This is not graphic design, so I'm going to keep those stuff minimum. Web browsers can only display 3 types of images: JPEG, JPNG, and PNG. Once we identify the images that we would like to put, we will go to imgu.com or any other of your preferred site like Google Drive to upload your image to get the embedded link. So I like IMGUR more, so I will go to this site. Click on the new post, browse. Here's my Mr. Bean picture. Click on the embed post link to get the code, copy, and I will put this in my editor. So here I am. What you expect about image tag, it is just a tag as shown here. So we will insert the width and the height right after the source of the image. And the fourth attribute that I will introduce to you later is alt, where we insert the description of the image. The image tag is a little bit different from all the other tags in the sense that it is a self-closing tag. Instead of putting img that I introduced you in the last few videos, we put something like img space / closing bracket, as img is a self-closing tag itself. When you think about it, it actually makes sense because in this case, we are just trying to plug in images but not enclosing any tags. So we will go through one attribute at a time. Just now, I introduced you to the width and the height. So now I'm going to introduce you to the alternate where we insert the description of the images. For example, I would like this images to be like Mr. Bean. So this is how the alternate works. Regarding the width and the height, if I would like to change the width and the height of the image, what I need to do is just go into the source and add the width and the height here. Originally, we don't have these two things. This is what I added to make it fit into the web browsers. And we can proceed with adding an alternate here as I shown just now, Mr. Bean. So we are good to go. And after we are done doing all that, we need to click save to ensure that it appears on the web app on the right hand side. So this is all about how we add images to our web app. If we did not indicate the size, it is very likely that it's going to mess up the layout. People who surf on mobile phone will care a lot about bandwidth because the screen of the mobile phone, as you know, it's very small and it needs responsive design in order to be able to have a very decent look. So I hope you learn something from this video, and we will proceed with the next video. Thank you.